If your side mirror is wobbly and vibrates like this, we'll show you how to fix it. First, move the mirror all the way inward to expose the mounting tabs. Use a small screwdriver or pick to release the mounting tabs. This gasket gets old and thin and can't keep the mirror from vibrating. We're using some thin cork gasket material to replace the old gasket. A 3-inch hole saw was about the same size as the original gasket, so we used it as a template and cut out some gasket material in the right shape and size for our mirror. This pointy thing got in the way, so we used a hole punch to solve that issue. We removed the old gasket with a putty knife. Then we cut a slot to clear this other feature. To make reinstalling the mirror easier, we applied some lubricant to the tabs. Then we lined up the mirror tabs with the mechanism and pushed firmly. Using a twisting motion helped all the tabs click into place. All better. No more wiggly mirror.